Good afternoon. This is the 16th of April, 2007. Happens to be Easter Day. Come on, Christianity, and Christians all around the world celebrate today's rising of our Lord Jesus Christ, Yeshua HaMashiach. And just wanted to let you know that I have changed my position about where the red dwarf star or sun, as some people call it, is currently located. We're going to go right now to Chris Potter's channel on YouTube, and you can see there that he's got this paper, and it's in conjunction with the Planet X news. As you can see, he broke breaking information on Our Physicist. We have the position. We may have the position of that red brown dwarf that people sometimes call Nibiru. There might be more than one red dwarf star. So in our universe, or even in our solar system, and our maybe inner solar system. So I'm going to let you guys go to them. You can see the links. I'll give them below in my report here on the YouTube, and you can see where it's headed. If you look at the arrow, as they were in March 14th, 2017, that's a month ago, a little over. And it was between Leo and Virgo, as they were reporting. I currently on the 14th had reported, April 14th, that it had now moved to the positions as stated in my previous video. Anyways, that's a non-start, so I'm not even going to mention the areas. All I did was a star chart from the NASA eyes, and lined it up, and it was between Pisces and Taurus and Cetus and Aries. That was the four that triangulated. If you were looking for it through the Earth to through the Sun, okay, it would be in there, because we're seeing it underneath the Sun in the ahead stereo. But the ahead stereo was way over here. So let's go over there. And you would see it in Libra and Sagittarius and Ophiuchus, like I had reported, that we were seeing it from the stereo head, not from the Earth. But due to the new web pictures that we're getting on the Mexico webcams, on the FAA Alaskan webcams, the Canadian NAV webcams, weather webcams, we're looking at from the Earth. So we've got to line up the Earth with the Sun, as you can see I'm doing now. And it comes in between Pisces, Aries, and Cetus, and move into Taurus constellations. But due to the other factors that we're watching, and my friends on the watchers that are on the YouTube and Nibiru, Scott from Nibiru X News and his channel of Planet X 2016. I think that's what his Scott's channel is. It's close to that. Let me double check here. Let's see if he has it in his. He's got a blog radio, X Factor. So please visit that. It's Nibiru Planet X 2016 channel. Another excellent one that you can go to and see him. Right, here's the link. All right. Nibiru Planet X 2016. Alright, on Scott's other channel that I enjoy watching daily. Chris Potter. So, this is the doctor that's talking on Scott's channel. And of course, this is Chris Potter's channel. Excellent physicist and scientist and researcher, and is in the know and has worked for the government too. So, anyways, the positions are in this position here. I'll agree with Chris, the lady doctor, that he and both Chris or Scott subscribe to. This nice, learned and schooled for 9 years and 5 degrees, physicist. So there we go. Will Bradford out from West Michigan, United States, on the Easter Sunday, April 16th, 2017. There's a lot going on with the weather. Turn to different channels. You can see on the wind what's going on. It's very alarming. You just pull up the earth, and then you, if you want to see the winds, okay, and then the differences. These are high altitude, and now it used to be the earth was circled on the north. Now it's circling greatly around Antarctica. So this has changed, but it is in chaos right now. Look at all the vortexes. These vortexes, they're all over the world. You can see this is Canada, Alaska, Greenland. Look at them all. I mean, the planet's in chaos with the winds, even in the south. Antarctica. You got them around South Africa, or South America, Africa, Australia. Let's go around the world here. You have to pause and let it strike up. Like I said, wind 250. I don't know what elevation that is, whether it's kilometers or 250,000, 25,000, whatever. But Indonesia's got quite. They had quite a storm here. I mean, there was a storm here that clouded over the last few days, and they were getting hit left and right. Now it's kind of quiet. South America got a 6.7, I think, the other day. And look at this vortex right around where. Is that the pressure being caused from underneath Earth's mantle, or is it from the outside pressure around the magnetosphere with the speed of the protons and neutrons hitting the magnetosphere into the magnetopause reversals that we have experienced here in the past, within the past 7 months. All right, just keep going to different. You go to this one, make your models. Click, okay, and you can move it around. You see if there's any alignments with the earth. You can move it in or out with your wheel. And I'm coming to the end. And then you hit your telescope and find out where you're at. If you're on your phone, you just move your phone around to it. That's the solar system scope, one of the best there is. Alright, you see Venus is coming down. Sun right behind it here. In Pisces, and if that was there, you couldn't see it because of the sun. Anyways, God bless, and may you all keep